Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Any Subject Sunday. Any Subject Sunday. So Any Subject Sunday is literally any subject. What would you like to hear about, know about? Ask me any questions and I will answer them in the next video. Or, okay, hi. 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 Well, you two found me. The other two, not so much, hey? If you have any questions for me, feel free to ask me and I can answer either as a topic in one video or several answers in one video. Something like that, not really sure. What do you think we should do for Any Subject Sunday? It can be crochet related or not, up to you. And that's it. I thought that'd be a cool kind of thing to round out the week. A little casual, not too stressful, just kind of like anything you want to ask me, let me know, and I will answer. I'm really interested in seeing where this Sunday is going to be going. So thanks so much for popping in and inviting me over, and have a super great day. We'll see you in the next video, and stay hooked. I swear I just got a bug bite. Legit. Little mozzie landed on me. Oh, Churchy, you found me! Finally, I'm telling you, he's a slowpoke. A slowpoke. Where's Mabel? Too tired to make the journey? I know I'm all the way outside. It's rough. It's a rough go. Oh, he's handsome. Oh, he's handsome. Oh, he's handsome. What a looker. What a looker. Oh, hi, Dingy. You're hiding. Nobody can see you, Ding. Go play with Ding Ding. Go play with Ding Ding. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Where is Mabel? Oh, there's one of my sons. Hi.